ba?
Hi.
Nagulat ako.
Question. Hi po. I'm Ayan of the Seat Box. And since si Jason and Vita Nilo, can you tell us a little more without spoiling anything about your role here?
Well, ako si Nico dito. Best friend ako ni Carla. Tapos yun, parang typical na mag-best friends na mahal nyo yung isa't isa, pero hindi nyo alam kung paano sabihin. Parang may takot ka ba, or yun eh. Diba?
And going back to Ella lang, ano feeling na ngayon? Parang 18 ka na, parang mas may freedom ka na ba sa bahay? Or...
Hindi naman po siguro freedom. Parang, actually, hindi ko pa nga ramdam na 18 ako. Ano ba, siguro yung ano na, eto na nga, yung parang pwede ng mature roles, hindi yung mga sweet-sweetan na gano'n. Looking forward din ako for more mature roles kasi parang usually kasi lahat ng things ginagawa ko puro pa sweet lang, ganyan. Gusto ko more challenging roles pa. Guys, let's all welcome to Joey Reyes!
Kanina pa ba?
Ay, natin mag-pink.
Pink pong face. Anyway. Hi. Ang dami pa lang. Hindi na tayo mag-beso-beso. Sabi mo, ginagawa akong lolo ng mga. Okay, Jane.
Ayun. Hi there, I'm Ayan po.
Hi, Ayan.
Hello. Paano po na-handpick yung, kayo po ba ang may say kung sino ang may lalagay sa movie? Since ang dami-dami po dito.
Oo nga, dami. Actually, it was a mutual decision of both the producer and myself. That is si Rosel, Director Manny Valera, and myself, kung sino yung kakasa namin. At saka there was also the consideration of schedule. Alam mo, busy-busyhan lahat ng mga tao ito, no? Kasi we have to take into consideration that makakabuti ng 3 taon bago matapos yung pelikula because they each have individual schedules, and I really dug a hole in creating a movie with 15 characters, di ba? So, it's a matter of are they available, are they angkop, and then do we want to work with them. So, yun ang mga kinonsider namin. And thank God na we really got a really nice combination.
First time niyo po ba gumawa ng, hindi yata kasi parang ganito rin po yung dating nung One Night Stand.
One night only?
One night only, sorry. One night only pala.
Bastos mo. Bastos mo. Hindi. Marami na akong ginawa ganyan. I remember years ago, the very first movie, one of the first movies of Claudine and Rico Yan, Ranger Romance, was something like this.
Yes.
Tapos ginawa ko yung Makati Avenue Office Girls, ganito rin. I really like doing in some movies kasi mahirap gumawa ng ganito. And, you know, so dami din akong pelikula, it's nice to have a challenge. Pero iba ito because iba yung atake namin. If you saw the trailer, may split screens, simultaneous time. Kaya ano nakita ni Mother yung final parang naloka siya. Ay, ganito pala itong pelikula ito. Because we try to play with it. Parang bago, hindi ba? Kasi ito naman babata namin dito. Hindi kailangan angkop sa...
So, pwede niyo po sabihin na nauna po kayo sa Valentine's Day. Kasi matagal na yung
sa Valentine's Day. Sama mo pa ang New Year's Eve actually. No, hindi totoo. Na-influence ako. I was greatly influenced by Robert Altman. At saka, nauna ako kay P.T. Anderson, yung Magnolia and all that, no? Pero yung biggest influence sa akin was Nashville ni Robert Altman. Sabi ko, ang ganda. Hindi lang yun. Biggest influence ko is Manila by Night ni Ishmael Bernal. Di ba? Ganun din yun. And some, oo naman. Nanay ko yun eh. So, yun ang biggest influence.
Thank you po.
It's one night only,
One night only. Iba yata yung naisip ko eh.
Hello, Director Daphne. I'm Sandy, Reese from Reserve that. May question lang dito is, gaano yung ginawang madaling pag-intertwine mo sa mga characters dito? Kasi madami din.
Alam mo, mahirap. Ginagawa ko yung kwento. Ang hirap. May chart ako sa kwarto ko na makikita yung intertwining of the characters. Kasi ayoko yung pilit. Hindi ba? ayoko yung pilit. Kailangan it's a web of characters, which is really what happens in real life. Yung naka-influence sa akin dito is the fact na it's crazy. May nabalitaan ako sa isa kong estudyante na siya pala ay anak ng dati kong estudyante dati. Yung banda na, sabi ko mga ito, no? Like in this room, hindi ba, bawat isa tayo may sarili-sariling kwento ng pag-ibig. Hindi ba? At malay natin, baka yung mga tao na involved sa atin, nag-i-intersect din sa buhay natin na hindi natin alam. Hindi ba?
Facebook lang.
Oo. Facebook. Di ba tama ka dyan?
Yes.
May Friendster pa yun.
Oo,
May
ayoko na ng
yung
Friendster.
6 degrees of separation.
Hindi ko nabutan yung Friendster kasi... Hindi. No, ganun talaga. Or pumasok ka sa kwarto, pumasok ka lang sa Starbucks, tingnan mo yung mga tao, may kanya-kanyang kwento yan eh. Hindi ba? Malay mo baka nag-i-intersect yun some way or the other. Okay? So, that was my influence.
Among the cast po, sino po nakitaan nyo dito na may potential talaga to be a big star?
And lahat naman sila, no? I mean, some are already there, you know, but I really greatly believe in this young girl over here.
Yes.
I think, umiyak si Mommy. Okay. No. She's, I think she was really underrated before, and I think I'm so glad that Regal is giving her the opportunities to really pursue, okay, what she's capable of doing. So, matter of fact, we're working together again.
Wow. So, are we seeing movies, another movies with you and Ella?
Well, at least I know that the next one I am doing is with Ella. It's called Dilim. Okay? Na ang first day of shooting na sa akin, I think na-traumatize siya dahil pinabugbog ko siya. So, yeah. Tsaka, I mean, this boy has been prejudged for so many things, not by his capacity to act, but by his private life. And I think he should be given a chance to show how he is as an actor.
Wow.
Okay? And Jason Avalos, I've known him since he was in Star Circle Quest. Okay? So, kilala ko sila matagal na.
Thank you so much for bringing another good movie to us.
Thank you so much. I hope you guys like it.
Hi, Direk. Magandang hapon. Si Mami Jo po, Jo Consolane. Siguro po tatanong ko medyo masakit kasi matanda na ako. Yung ano, yung
Okay, bilibin mas matanda ako sa'yo.
yung po, kasi in the past, I have two questions. Una po siguro yung, it seems like marami kayong ginamit dito na iba, kakaiba, yung little bit of technology of filmmaking na hindi pa ginamit before. Tapos, creative yung presentation. At tapos yung pangalawa po tanong, yung dating kultura ng mga Pilipino sa